Hi, hello friends. I am Arvind from Enspark. So in this video, we will see about the Maruti Suzuki new shift. It's parked in the one workshop. It has fully affected in fire due to accident. While we can drive long speed or slow speed, we can hit on some other vehicles or some other object. We can ensure vehicle is fired or not. We feel the fire it been caught between the front of the engine area. It will immediately fulfill the vehicle's fired, so we can avoid inside the cabin while accident. We can easily come out of the vehicles. We can unable to come out of the vehicles. We can hit on the windshield or tail mirror and come out of them. It will avoid we fired inside the vehicles, and also it will help our safety. While accident, we can inform local police or fire team, or some other source or some other owners to avoid the vehicle junction. Be care and aware while driving the vehicles, and also know you the speed limit. We can follow the government rules and regulation to avoid severe injuries or accident, and also follow the government rules and also procedures. We can mandate our insurance at live, and also we can put health insurance also. We can save our health related issues and also some other accidental coverage issues. If any problem in health and accident, immediately call ambulance or some other government services, and also vehicle dealers and also vehicle insurance company to claim the insurance. This video is only for educational purpose, not other. Thank you.